Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Liz of Chicago Law Luxury Makeup. Today we're doing just another real quick video talking about a product that I've had for a while, but I've never done a video on. I don't know why that is, but it is the Lisa Eldridge Lip Kit. So I purchased this last year, sometime in 2020, and I got the lip liner, lipstick, and lip gloss. I can't talk right now. So I got all three of these in a really beautiful felt floral bag. I didn't think to get the bag out. I should have, but I still have it. I still like it. So I thought I would just apply these, talk about them. They're currently out of stock, although you can buy the lipstick by itself. But Lisa Eldridge is having a new launch this weekend, and I believe, if I'm not mistaken, that some of the lip products are going to be restocked. So I wanted to do a quick video, show you the shade that I have, and kind of talk about it. So I picked up Velvet Muse, and I love it. The lip liner is probably my favorite. It's so creamy. So creamy. It is beautiful. So here is Velvet Muse. Oh, I mean, that's a perfect Liz color. So I'm going to go ahead and apply it. It's just a really creamy formula, which I really do like. So this is the lip liner, and then you have the lipstick, which goes over it. And this is a matte lipstick, so it's not my favorite lipstick, I'm gonna be honest with you. And I have not had any problems, but I have heard from several content creators and watched videos that her lipsticks are really soft. So when you apply it, you really want to keep the lipstick bullet like really low. So that's the lipstick, and it's beautiful. It is so beautiful. Like, the detailing in it is just gorgeous. But to apply, you don't want to get that much up, because I have heard it breaks. So just in case you have never tried her lipsticks, you want to try them, just know to keep it really short. And you can see that it pairs perfectly with the lip liner, like perfectly. I will swatch it. So there's the lip liner, and that is the lipstick. It's very creamy. It doesn't necessarily feel like a matte, but I feel like it looks like a matte, if that makes sense. But it is very creamy. It doesn't feel drying on my lips whatsoever. But when I look at it, I'm like, oh yeah, I need to put a gloss on it. Like, I definitely need to top it with a gloss. So that is what we're gonna do. This is the gloss, and I like the applicator a lot. And let me swatch. So there is the lip gloss. That is how the lip gloss looks over the lipstick. I love it. I love it. I really am impressed with the whole set. Like, I need to use all of it together. I can't just use the lipstick by itself. It's just too matte for me. Even though it does feel nice on the lips, it still looks like a matte. So I can't use it by itself. I do use the lip liner though with other lipsticks, and I really do like the lip liner. And I have worn the gloss on its own, and I've worn it over other lipsticks. So I do really like the gloss. I love the packaging with the little L on the lips, and it's also the same on the lipstick. So they're really nice. I really, really enjoy it. I cannot wait for the new products to come out, and I'll definitely be picking those up and doing a video for you. But like I said, I wanted to make this super quick, short video showing you the lipstick because I do believe they're going to be restocked. I do recommend them. I really, really like them a lot. I really do. And I love this color. This is, so again, here are the shades on my hand, and then here they are on the lips. And again, this is Velvet Muse, and it is gorgeous. So I really do like it. If you found this video helpful, I would appreciate it if you give me a thumbs up. I would love to hear down below if you've tried any of the Lisa Eldridge products, what you've tried. Maybe there's a different shade I should pick up. And if you're planning, I'd love to hear if you're planning on picking up anything from her new release that comes out, I believe, on Saturday. I think it was pushed back, but it's being released on Saturday, and I cannot wait. So I would love to hear from you guys. I hope everyone has a great day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.